Why do herbal plants hold such significance in curing diseases? That's a question that has intrigued mankind for centuries. Today, we delve into the world of natural remedies and explore the top 25 herbal plants that are known for their medicinal properties. First on the list is aloe vera. Known as the plant of immortality by the ancient Egyptians, this plant soothes burns, treats cuts, and enhances skin health. Basil, a common herb found in kitchens worldwide, is number 2. It's not only a flavorful addition to meals, but also a potent anti-inflammatory agent that aids digestion and boosts the immune system. The third plant is chamomile. This calming herb is often used in teas to help with insomnia and anxiety, and it has anti-inflammatory properties which can help with skin issues. Next up is dandelion. Though often considered a weed, this plant is a powerhouse of nutrients and can aid in digestion, detoxification, and maintaining bone health. Echinacea, at number 5, is a popular herb known for its immune-boosting properties, often used to fight off colds and other infections. Sixth is fenugreek, a plant that aids digestion, reduces inflammation, and can help control blood sugar levels. Garlic, at number 7, is a well-known herb with potent medicinal properties that include combating heart disease and boosting the immune system. The 8th herb is hawthorn. This plant is often used in heart disease treatment due to its cardiovascular benefits. Next is the Indian ginseng or ashwagandha. This powerful herb can reduce stress and anxiety, improve brain function, and boost fertility. Jasmine, at number 10, is a fragrant plant often used in aromatherapy for its calming effects and its ability to help with depression and anxiety. The 11th herb is kava kava. Known for its sedative properties, it can help reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality. Lavender, at number 12, is a popular herb used in aromatherapy for its soothing scent, which can help reduce anxiety and improve sleep. Mint, at number 13, is a refreshing herb known for its digestive benefits and its ability to relieve headaches. Number 14 is nettle. This plant can reduce inflammation, treat hay fever, and assist in controlling blood sugar levels. Oregano, at number 15, is a herb rich in antioxidants and has powerful antibacterial properties. Peppermint, at number 16, is a herb known for its digestive benefits and its ability to relieve headaches and improve focus. The 17th herb is Queen Anne's lace, which can be used as a diuretic and can help with kidney stones and urinary tract health. Rosemary, at number 18, is a fragrant herb that can enhance memory and concentration, improve digestion, and provide neuroprotective properties. Sage, at number 19, is a herb known for its cognitive enhancing properties and its ability to lower blood sugar levels. Turmeric, at number 20, is a potent herb with powerful anti-inflammatory effects and strong antioxidant properties. The 21st herb is uva ursi, which can be used as a diuretic and can help with urinary tract infections. Valerian, at number 22, is a herb known for its sedative effects and its ability to improve sleep quality. Withania, at number 23, is a powerful adaptogenic herb that can reduce stress and anxiety, improve brain function, and boost fertility. Xanthoparmelia scabrosa, at number 24, is a lichen used in traditional medicine for its aphrodisiac properties and its ability to treat erectile dysfunction. Last but not least, yarrow, at number 25, is a potent herb that can aid digestion, reduce inflammation, and assist in wound healing. In summary, nature provides an incredible array of herbal plants, each with unique medicinal properties. From aloe vera to yarrow, these 25 herbal plants offer natural remedies for a variety of health issues. It's a testament to the healing power of nature and how it continues to play a vital role in health and well-being.